In a historic move, the centre cleared the way for women to join the National Defence Academy for permanent commission into India's armed forces. The Supreme Court said today, while hearing a petition for allowing women to take NDA and Naval Academy exams, and I quote, "We are extremely glad to know that the armed forces themselves took the decision to induct women into the NDA. We know that reforms cannot happen in a day. The government will place timelines of the process and the course of action." Today's hearing comes less than a month after the Supreme Court, in a landmark interim order, said women can sit for the NDA admission exam, which has been rescheduled for November the 14th. Men recruited through the NDA exam are presently granted permanent commission in the armed forces. Women candidates, however, were recruited as short service commission officers before being considered for a permanent commission at a later stage of their career. The next hearing in the matter will take place on September 22nd as the centre thrashes out details such as the guidelines for appearing in the exam, the timeline, etc. At present, only male candidates who have cleared class 12th and are between 16.5 and 19 years old can apply for this exam, which is conducted twice every year by the Union Public Service Commission. Those who clear the written exam then appear for Services Selection Board or SSB interviews. Finally, the ones who clear their medical tests are inducted into the NDA, which was established in December 1954.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.